MRSN stock analysis Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. Looking at Mersana Therapeutics stock, the price is already seems like it's starting to shift through some ranges, which I'm going to get into. 18% up. I've gotten thousands of correct predictions over the last 4 years, and I've spent thousands of courses and mentors, documented everything. And generally speaking, I'm very open for more longs, right? Purely because it just started shifting, right? If there was a double break, I was willing to take things lower. It came down. As it kept going up, I abandoned the stock, and then it kind of got cluttery. So no shorts got taken. When I say I'm open for longs, it doesn't mean that I'm going to immediately start longing. No, because you can see, like, from a higher time frame perspective, this is not looking good. Like, ultimately, higher time frame chart is actually not even bullish, it's bearish. But as long as we're sitting above 60 cents, this is potential buy, just for like a very short term. But if I start seeing double breaks, then you better know I'm short selling this. So I'm going to continue to keep you updated. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. Goodbye.